बस सही है, देखा ना आपने, पीछे मुड़ के देखे, हाथ हिलाते बस. Okay, let's start. IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Answer frankly, just take it as a friendly conversation, as a dialogue with the examiner, okay? Don't take any pressure. I know there will be pressure in actual exam, but just relax and calm down. Let's start from here. Do you like watching sports programs like cricket matches, football matches?
Yeah, nowadays I am in love to watch cricket because Pakistan is continuously play winning shots, and now we are in finals. So you can say I am in love to watch cricket.
How unromantic, huh? You love cricket. Oh, Gend Balla. All right, forget about that. No problem. This is your love, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can do a little kuchi with bat and ball. Yeah, I like
But
that very much.
stadium is also full of
Crowd and all.
Yeah.
Again, double unromantic.
Yeah.
He's not coming to that point. Okay. That's fine. All right. Do you like to watch cricket matches live?
No, I don't like. I don't like to watch cricket live because I have not experienced any live match. So I usually like to watch at TV or on TV or on mobile phone. So I would preferably say that I would like to watch on screen.
Okay. Do you play any game?
No, I don't play any kind of game because I am very sluggish boy. So I usually play only mobile games like 8-ball pool or something else. So you can say I am not having any kind
Very
of
good.
play.
The good thing is your answers are according to the question. Another good point is you understand the questions. Okay, now just focus on your pronunciation.
Yeah.
Fluency
Okay.
is already good, and a little bit on grammar. Pronunciation and grammar will give you very good bench score if you improve them.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's all fine. Okay, and one more thing: try to make yourself familiar with all the questions we have.
Okay.
Right? Yes. Let's go on. It's your turn, please. Where is your favorite place to sit? Like in your house, sometimes your favorite place to sit, like he loves to sit on manja. You know manja?
Yeah.
Big one. Yeah, Yasin. So, anyways, where is your favorite place to sit?
My favorite place to sit in my house is in the living area. There, I love we have couch, and I used to sit there.
I usually sit there.
I usually
Present
sit-
tense.
I usually sit there and feel comfortable.
Okay, this is good. Be confident, right? And take it easy, right? Let's go on. Do you like to sit for a long time?
No, I usually don't like to sit for a long time because I
Because I have to do certain things also, so I don't sit at one place for more than 10-15 minutes. Then I walk around, I go here and there. Just, go on, just speak, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go on. Do you feel sleepy when you are sitting down?
I always feel sleepy,
All right.
and most of the time I lay on my bed. So that's why every time I feel sleepy.
Okay, that's good. Just try to speak at least 1 to 2 more sentences. For example, do you feel sleepy when you're sitting down? Yes, I always feel sleepy. That is why mostly I sit on the bed and then I lay down and go to sleep. So if I sit for a long time, yes, I feel sleepy. Like that. Just 4-5 sentences will be fine. Okay, let's go on. It's all fine. Now listen, for you my advice is try to be familiar with these topics, because sometimes topics are simple, but sometimes you don't know, and I want you to have your answers readily available. Okay. Now for example, today I asked you about live sports and cricket and all that. Next time anyone asks you, you are confident, you can answer. Okay, so like this, answers should be readily available here, that if they ask me this question, I will say this thing, right? All right.